So you want to buy a house, how do you start working with an agent? Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird and Northbrook office. Today I'd like to introduce you to Miracle Hosea, and she's going to help answer some questions about what to do when you're working with a buyer's agent and a realtor on your first purchase. So Miracle, thanks so much for joining me today.
Of course.
And if you're a first-time buyer and you're looking to buy a house but you've never done this before, what kind of things are you wondering about?
So I do have a couple of questions. My first one is that I've been looking online and see some properties that look interesting. Do I go to an open house to get more information, or what should I do?
Sure, great question. You're absolutely welcome to go to open houses. It's a great way to learn about the inventory and see what's out there when you're just starting to look. When you have a buyer's agent that represents your interests, the buyer's agent will help you narrow down the properties and find the best fit for you.
Thanks. But how do I know how much I can afford when it comes to houses, and are the prices negotiable?
Of course. So that's a good question too. So when you have a buyer's agent, the buyer's agent is going to introduce you to a team of professionals, and one of those is a loan officer. And the loan officer will review your financial information and discuss different loan products that are going to work best for your budget. And then armed with your pre-approval letter, you are equipped to go shopping, and it tells the seller that you are qualified to buy their house. Then your buyer's agent is going to help you look at the market activity and make a good offer for you, as well as negotiate on your behalf.
Okay, thank you. I have another question. Do I have to pay a fee for your help, or how does that work?
No, actually the buyer's agent is compensated by the seller as part of the closing costs in the deal. So when you have a buyer's agent in Illinois, the buyer's agent represents you as the buyer, and the seller has their own representative, and that's called the listing agent. So together we help you to get to the closing table. And when you work with a buyer's agent, you're asked to sign a buyer-broker agreement, and this is a document that outlines how you work together with your agent.
Oh, okay. So how does closing day work?
Great. When we get to closing, then you're going to review all of your final documents and go through the plat of survey with the attorney. And we also do a final walkthrough right before closing to make sure that the condition of the property is what you expected the last time we were there. And then, of course, you get to collect your keys, and you're a new homeowner. It's an exciting day.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for your help and for answering all of my questions.
Absolutely. Happy house hunting.
Thank you.
These are the kinds of invaluable insights I share with my clients when they choose to work with me. Hire me today.